Did you know Japan's capital city has shifted locations 3 times, each move marking a scenic transformation in the nation's history? From the ancient grandeur of Nara to the cultural heart of Kyoto, and finally to the global powerhouse of Tokyo. Discover how these historic shifts shaped Japan into the vibrant country it is today. Get ready to explore the epic saga behind Japan's capital's tour within 24 hours. Let's dive in. Morning, exploring the historic heart. Asakusa. Our journey begins with Sensoji Temple, an enthusiast medley of history, culture and tradition. Sensoji stands as a testament to Tokyo's immortal spirit, nestled in the heart of Asakusa. The temple's origins trace back to the year 628, when 2 brothers discovered a statue of Kannon, the goddess of mercy, in the Sumida River. Despite their attempts to return it, the statue miraculously reappeared, leading to the construction of Sensoji as a shrine to honor this divine find. Approaching the temple, you're greeted by the imposing Kaminamiron or Thunder Gate with its iconic red lantern and towering statues, a grand entrance that signifies the start of a timeless journey. Beyond this gateway lies Nakamisi Dori, a bustling shopping street filled with traditional shops and stalls. Here you can discover everything from yukatas and folding fans to local snacks, with the street's history offering a glimpse into Edo-era Tokyo. Though the temple's main hall and 5-story pagoda are relatively recent reconstructions, they radiate a timeless elegance. As you explore the temple grounds, take in the intricate details and enjoy the serene atmosphere, connecting with the rich history and spiritual essence of Sensoji. Ginza. Ginza, a vibrant district in Tokyo, is renowned for its upscale shopping scene. This iconic area is home to a plethora of luxury brands, high-end department stores, and elegant restaurants, making it a paradise for discerning shoppers. We must complete our visit before lunch, and exploring Ginza is definitely on our agenda. For a taste of modern Japanese design, Ginza 6 is a must-visit. This state-of-the-art shopping mall boasts a curated collection of luxury brands, unique boutiques, and art installations. From fashion and accessories to home decor and gourmet food, Ginza 6 offers a diverse range of shopping experiences. Whether you're looking to indulge in designer fashion, savor exquisite cuisine, or simply immerse yourself in the luxurious atmosphere, Ginza is a destination that will leave you captivated. Afternoon, immersed in culture and technology. Shibuya Crossing. After a satisfying lunch, head to Shibuya, one of Tokyo's most ancient neighborhoods. Shibuya Crossing is popular and most busy pedestrian scramble intersection crossing. This iconic Shibuya Crossing is a must-see. Estimated 1,000 to 2,500 people pave their route every 2 minutes. When the pedestrian signal turns green, all vehicle traffic stops and lasts for about 47 seconds. Within that time, streets in a synchronized dance of human movement. Following this exhilarating experience, pay a visit to the Hachiko statue. This tribute honors Hachiko, a loyal dog who continued to wait for his owner at Shibuya Station long after his owner's death. Unveiled in 1934, the statue symbolizes unwavering loyalty and devotion. It remains a beloved landmark and popular spot for both locals and tourists. Harajuku. Feeling a bit tired, but determined to make the most out of your 24-hour Tokyo adventure? Step into the heart of Tokyo's fashion scene at Harajuku. Since the 1970s, this area has been a hub for Tokyo's fashionistas, blending a kaleidoscope of styles in one dynamic place. As you immerse yourself in the electric energy of Harajuku, dive into the whimsy of Takeshita Street, where quirky shop and mouth-watering street food await. The iconic shopping street in Harajuku, popular with Tokyo's trendy teens and cool kids, plus tourists, Takeshita Street gets crazier than a cat on caffeine during weekends. It's the ultimate spot for people watching, indulging in some serious retail therapy, or eating until you can't move. Trust me, you'll want to show up with an empty stomach. Akihabara. It's now 5 o'clock. After exploring the vibrant streets of Harajuku, we venture to Akihabara, about 5 miles away. Akihabara, often affectionately referred to as Akiba, named after a former local shrine, is Tokyo's exhilarating hub of cutting-edge tech and diverse anime cultures. On Akihabara's main thoroughfare, you'll find the Sega Club. Fighting games remain hugely popular here. You can even challenge someone in the midst of a match by stepping up to the cabinet across from them. Savor exquisite Japanese dishes and explore one-of-a-kind cafes that blend tradition with modern flair. Hunt for rare collectible and exclusive merchandise. It's like a paradise for enthusiasts on the lookout for unique finds. Evening, a taste of Tokyo's nightlife. Robot restaurant. As the sun began to set, we made our way to the robot restaurant after a delightful experience in Akihabara. The robot restaurant was quite easy to reach, just a 5-minute walk from Akihabara. This Tokyo institution is renowned for its over-the-top shows and delicious food, though our focus was more on the spectacular entertainment than on the dining experience. Imagine enormous robots, colossal dinosaurs, wild sharks, laser beams, dancing pandas, taiko drummers, bikini-clad performers, and a whole host of other fantastical sights, all unfolding right before your eyes. It's still an excellent spot for capturing memorable pictures. The cost to enter the robot restaurant is 8,000 yen per person, with an additional optional meal fee of 1,000 yen. The restaurant operates from Friday to Wednesday, offering 3 to 4 shows daily. Given its popularity, it's recommended to buy tickets in advance to secure your spot. Izakaya. After a thrilling adventure, we've landed at Izakaya, a taste of local life. If you find yourself at an izakaya with empty seats and no one waiting outside, feel free to indulge in food and drinks for as long as you like. However, if there's a line of people waiting to get in, the izakaya might set a 2-hour limit on your stay. Once that time is up, they might ask you to vacate your table to make room for new guests. Their menu features a delightful mix of izakaya classics, with most dishes priced around 300 to 400 yen. This makes it a fantastic spot for both seasoned izakaya fans and newcomers to sample a variety of dishes without spending a fortune. If you're willing to splurge a bit more, try the sashimi set to experience the nuances between lean, medium and fatty tuna. Keep in mind that Kanoya operates as both an izakaya and a kushikatsu, which is deep-fried skewer, spot next door. Look to the left as you face the restaurant. If you're unsure, just ask for the izakaya. Tokyo Tower. As the night fell, we headed to Tokyo Tower, an iconic site offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Situated in Chiba-koen within Minato's central ward, Tokyo Tower stands at an impressive 333 meters. Upon its completion, it held the title of the tallest freestanding tower in the world, surpassing even the Eiffel Tower. To reach the tower's main deck at 150 meters, you can choose between the elevator or a hearty climb up the 600-step staircase. Both options come with a fee. Although the height is modest, the observatory offers a captivating view of the city thanks to the tower's prime location. The dazzling city lights below are sure to leave you spellbound, though you might feel a touch of dizziness when peering down. Other floors offer various attractions. On the first floor, visitors can explore the aquarium gallery, a spacious reception hall, and a 400-seat tower restaurant. This floor also features a Family Mart convenience store, a souvenir shop, and 3 elevators that whisk guests directly to the main observatory. The second floor is a haven for food and shopping enthusiasts, boasting 5 standalone restaurants, a food court with 4 eateries including McDonald's and Pizza La, and various shops. Unique to this level is a Shinto shrine located within the main observatory. Foot Town's 3rd and 4th floors are dedicated to tourist attractions. The World Records Museum Tokyo showcases life-size figures, photo panels, and memorabilia of fascinating world records. Additionally, on Wednesdays and holidays, visitors can access the tower's exterior stairwell from the roof. With approximately 660 steps, this stairwell offers an adventurous alternative to the elevators, leading directly to the main observatory. In just 24 hours, we've finally scouted Tokyo's energetic blend of history and modernity. From the ancient grandeur of Sensoji Temple in Asakusa to the luxury of Ginza and the bustling Shibuya crossing, each moment offered a unique glimpse into the city's diverse character. We marveled at Harajuku's eclectic fashion, also Akihabara's tech wonders, and enjoyed the dazzling robot restaurant before taking in the panoramic views from Tokyo Tower. Tokyo is a city of endless excitement and contrasts where every corner tells a story. Don't just watch from afar, come experience the magic of Tokyo for yourself. Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure like no other.